Hey there! Today we're diving into a problem that involves custom type initialization in CPython, which can lead to some tricky situations. The issue arises when dealing with the initialization of a custom type's member in a multi-threaded environment. The tutorial warns against a simpler but risky version of the code that can potentially cause unexpected behavior due to race conditions. Now, let's discuss the solution provided in the tutorial. Imagine we have a global variable custom and a class SumPy class with a destructor that accesses this global variable and triggers its initialization method. If the member first of the custom instance is an object of SumPy class that gets destructed during the initialization process, it can lead to reference counting errors. This occurs because the destructor triggers the custom _init__ method recursively, causing incorrect reference counts and memory management issues. In summary, it's important to handle custom type initialization carefully to avoid reference counting errors and unpredictable behavior, especially in multi-threaded environments. Remember, always be cautious when working with custom types and ensure proper memory management to prevent unexpected bugs. With that said, thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a witty comment below.